my coaching students. So in today's video, I decided some questions. And let's get started.
Hello guys, I am an AI version of Lytvynchuk and I will be taking over this channel now. So in today's video, we will be talking about...
Get away from here. Hey guys, hey everyone, this is not true, I'm okay. You know how they say, don't believe everything they say on internet. So I'm back to YouTube and I'm super excited to start sharing what I've learned over the last 2 years. And in today's video, we're gonna be talking about why did I stop posting, what I've been up to, what is the future of this channel and the content I'll be creating. And if you stick till the end of this video, I'll share with you and make an announcement, something special that I've been working for you guys for this channel and overall for the people in the agency space. So let's kickstart and start with number one, and the question I've been getting a lot from you is why I stopped making videos. So one of the reasons why I had to stop making videos was it's all about focus. We only have so much energy throughout the day to dedicate towards a project or business, whatever you're working on. And if you are running multiple things, you will make a mediocre progress, a small progress on one of every single thing. If you would put focus towards one single thing, you're gonna get further ahead than the person that is doing a million things and running different businesses, YouTube, agency, because you only have a certain amount of time and energy to put towards that project or business. So that was the number one reason why I decided to focus just on agency and take that agency to the next level. When I was making videos on YouTube and also I had a coaching group and a course, I had to make a decision whether stay where I was, which is we were making 10, 20, 30K at the time and just keep helping more people start their own agencies, or scale my agency to 7 figures and learn more skills along the way as I'm scaling agency, or stay where I'm at and just help as many people as I can to start their own agency. I made a decision to focus on my agency, on my business. Good thing is I'm back. Here's what I've been up to. So again, one of the first things, we were able to scale agency to 7 figures in 2022. We got a 2 Club reward for reaching over $1 million in revenue with our agency. Also, we've been running a coaching program for dealerships. So by the way, if you're new here to this video, to this channel, my industry, my niche in SMMA or agency space is automotive car dealerships. We work with independent franchise and helping them get more customers and help them scale their business. And we've been running a coaching group and coaching GMs of franchises. Also, over the last 2 years, what I was really focusing on is building a software for our clients and for automotive agencies, which I'm going to be sharing in the future how that works and how many agencies and automotive businesses or people who run ads in automotive space can use. And again, it was everything related to the industry, to my niche, and to my agency. Again, the software helping dealerships with getting more customers. That's why I had to give up for a certain period of time. Also, what I've been up to, I had to take a little bit of personal time and focus on myself, on my growth. I've been traveling around the United States. I went to a few places, Hawaii, Florida, Lake Tahoe. So it's so important to have that time away from business and to re-energize and get new ideas. I found a good formula that helped me staying focused and having growth in my business without compromising that, which is exactly what will be the mission and the future of this channel. So on this channel, in terms of content, nothing will change. I will still, will be posting, providing content and value to you in terms of how to start agency, how to grow and scale agency, and also documenting my journey growing and scaling our software company. So If you're new, again, make sure to subscribe because I'll be putting a lot of content in the social media marketing agency space. Now, a few things that has changed since the last videos I've been making in terms of worldview and business view. So I am not 100% all into everybody should start an automotive agency or choose an automotive niche because this is the best niche. I believe that you have to go after the niche that either you're passionate about, you have that related to your skills, passion, and not just the niche that provides the most money or money-making niche. Which most of us that we start an agency, we want to make as much cash as possible, make money, to have financial freedom, and it makes sense to go after the most lucrative niches. However, again, doing this for most people that's starting or trying to get into the agency space, I would not recommend everybody just go and focus on automotive because this is the best niche. Because everybody is different, they have different experience, different skills, different things they love, and there are other niches that as lucrative, as high ticket as automotive, where everybody can have success. So that's one thing. Another thing that I will be focusing on, helping agency owners that already have 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 20 clients, and teaching them how to scale and automate agency with the systems that we put in our agency and the things we learned along the way, building team, creating systems on onboarding, CRM software, how even create your own software if you already have a niche and clients and agency. That's something I'm really passionate about because that's where I'm at right now with my business, and I'll be putting a lot of content, again, how to scale your agency when you already picked your niche, when you have your clients, whatever the problems you're facing in your agency, I'll be posting content about that. And so make sure if you guys have any recommendations about the content you'd like to see, anything that you recommend or wanna learn, please leave a comment under this video and I'll read all the comments and I'll create a plan of making these videos for you, because I know how hard it is as a agency owner, especially as you're growing or trying to get more clients or facing other challenges in your business. And I went through these struggles, and again, I'm still learning. I'm not saying I know all and everything, but my goal, again, to provide value, share with you what I can through the YouTube, through the content, and we all can learn together and have a community of agency owners who are sharing their experience. We all learn from each other, and that's my future vision and mission of this channel, to have a community of agency owners who are collaborating, learning from each other, and we all scaling our business, helping people and making a difference in the world. So that's my vision for this YouTube channel, to have a community of agency owners, of people who are working towards the same goal, achieving financial freedom, and most importantly, not being a slave to their agency or to their business. The goal is to automate your agency, put a great team in place, and make sure that agency is running 90% without you, so then you can enjoy life, work on other passion projects that you wanted to work on. And that's why the announcement I have created a free community group for agency owners and aspiring entrepreneurs, future agency owners that wanted to start their own agency, and a community group where we can all collaborate. I'll be very active in that group. Also, I'll be making weekly live calls here on YouTube, and we'll be in the group. So the link is down below. Join the group, introduce yourself, and again, this is going to be a place for agency owners to learn, to collaborate, to network. I'm also thinking we'll do like a meetups and everybody can connect with each other. So that's my message to you guys. I invite you to become part of our community of agency owners and people who want to make change in the world by helping their clients, their niches, and we all will collaborate, and I'll be helping out throughout the way, what the challenges you have, if you questions, I'll be responding to every one of you there. So the link in the description, join that group. Also, I put together a mini course on how to scale your agency, as well as if you're just starting an agency. There's gonna be a course on mindset, also how to get clients. It's a free course, it's inside the group. You can get it as you get inside the group. And most importantly, if you're an agency owner, I'll be sharing the systems there, how to scale your agency, how to hire a team, how to build systems, how to use different softwares to fix challenges in your agency in terms of maybe hiring, maybe it's systems, onboarding processes. There's also gonna be a free mini course. You can join and watch that for free. So there's gonna be a ton of value, and again, I'll be pretty active. So make sure to join the group. That's it on my end. Again, thank you so much for watching, guys. I'm excited to be back, and I'll be seeing you in the next video.